Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Tips for ChatGPT. Today we're answering a question many of you have asked. Why does ChatGPT need a phone number? Let's get straight into it. First up, safety and security. ChatGPT asks you for a phone number primarily to keep bots and spam accounts away. So if you ever felt that asking for a number is intrusive, think of it as an extra shield for your account. We all forget passwords, right? Having a phone number linked to your ChatGPT account makes account recovery a breeze. A quick SMS code and you're back in. Your phone number also contributes to a better user experience on ChatGPT. With fewer bots and spam, the platform stays user-friendly and customer support can assist you more and efficiently. ChatGPT uses your phone number to send updates and even some promotional content. Don't worry, you can always opt out from these notifications in your account settings. Now for those concerned with data privacy, rest easy. ChatGPT assures that your data, including your phone number, is securely stored and only used for necessary services. To sum up, ChatGPT needs your phone number mainly for safety, better user experience, and account recovery. It's not about invading your privacy, but about enhancing your experience. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button